In this video, we look at joining the roller barrier shafts together to create a longer run, and then the two different methods of terminating the barrier. Once you've secured your brackets to the installation area, select the two shafts you wish to join together, along with a joining spigot. Grip the spigot at its very end and compress until it slips into the end of the tube. Tap the spigot halfway into the shaft, then carefully compress the protruding end of the spigot and guide it into the other shaft. Then tap the other end into place so that the two tubes are firmly connected and cannot be pulled apart. Once you've joined your two shafts together and mounted your roller cups, you'll need to terminate each end of each run. You can do this with a standard end fixing kit comprising of a washer, bolt and shear nut, or the popular Easy Fix Sheafal end fixing. For the standard fixing kit, drill a hole through the shaft around 10mm from the end and slip the washer onto the shaft. Insert the bolt through the hole and screw the conical side of the shear nut onto the bolt, tightening with the spanner until the hexagonal section shears off. Terminating the run with a Sheafal fixing is quick and easy. Trim the shaft so there is 20 to 25mm protruding from the end roller cup, then slip the Sheafal collar onto the shaft with the bevel edge facing outwards, and tighten the security screw to firmly hold in place. Finally slip the flexi cap end over the collar to complete a smart aesthetic finish.